Today we are going to see a very common question of finding if an array contains duplicate or not. So we have this question on the lead code. Let's read the question. Given an array of integer, find the array contains duplicates. So your function should return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and should return false if every element is distinct. So the question says that even if one of the element or at least one element is repeated, you just need to return true. There is nothing more to be done here. So let's see one example. 1 2 3 1. So this is the array that is given. We have to return true if any of the element is repeated twice. So here we can see 1 is repeated twice, so we have to return true. In this case, 1 2 3 4, all elements are distinct, no need to return true. We can return false here. There are multiple repeated values of 1, but we do not care. We care only if element is present at least twice, we return true. So in this scenario, the best approach I would say is, there's a very simple one, would be to sort the array. Suppose let's take the first example. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 is the given array. So our algorithm can just do sort this one, 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Once the array is sorted, now only thing we need to look at, we can go iterate over each element and see if the next element is the same element. So suppose we are at the 0th location, we can just check if the second element to the indice is the same or not. So yes, if it is same, we just return true from here. So this could be one of the approaches. So let's do it. Option 1 is to sort the array, and so next step is to check the next element. So this is our pseudocode. Let's begin to code. So arrays has a very common method of sorting. We can make use of that. Arrays.sort, that you makes use of the tim sort, and the time complexity will be O of n log n. So nums, this will give us a sorted array. So first task is done. Now we can iterate over each element of the array, and we can see if then we just have to match the next element. So I is less than nums dot length. So this is our iteration loop, for loop. So if nums of I is equal to nums of the next value. If this is the case, then we know that we have to return true. Else return this is the case, then we return true, and we can make it more clearer. If we are able to iterate over each element in the array and we did not get any common occurrence, we can just return false. So this I think should work, and we can just submit. So I think it's getting submitted. So we'll just go over the explanation part. So let's take 1 comma 1 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 1 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 1. So if what will be array sort will do, array sort will just sort this array 1 comma 1 2 comma 3 comma 4 in the ascending order, and then there will be a for loop. I is equal to 0, 1 is there. If it will check if nums of I is equal to nums of I plus 1. So I plus 1 value is also 1, it's true, return from here. The code is good. So we can just try to submit. Oh, what happened? Oh, we ran out of array bound of index. So because I am iterating till the, we can submit Uh, yep, it's good now. So we are able to submit with good results. Thank you.